Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I wanted to make a little video on Forex trading. Now, a lot of Forex traders, whether they're new, or quite experienced, sometimes make things a little overcomplicated. For me, I need a signal. I need confirmation of the direction of that signal for that trade. I need an entry, a strategy to get in. And then I need a strategy to manage the trade to take the profits or to get the stop loss. So now there's lots and lots of indicators out there that are useful, but combining them takes a little bit of practice. I just want to show you here. I'm just combining three indicators in this case here, just to show you how to be sensible when you're looking for these. So I'm not going to get too technical, but I'm just going to talk about signal, confirmation, entry, and trade management. Okay, so let's start on the left. This is US dollar CHF on the 15 minute. I've got it on Heikin-Ashi candles because 24-hour product like Forex or futures, and those averaging Heikin-Ashi candles do actually make for better trading and a better view on what's happening. So I'm going to go to the left here. First of all, we're going to talk about these signals. So these are 5 and 6 star signals in red or pink. So they're saying, you should go short. They're the expert algo, but it doesn't really matter what it is. We've got a signal. So what do we do next? We need confirmation that actually, things are moving down. So I'm using what's called a divergence cloud here. That gives me that confirmation that, yes, hey, you've had a 5-star sell signal on this candle here. So let's go big on this candle a little bit. And then we'll talk about entries and confirmation and everything. So we've got a 5-star sell here. Okay, I've got confirmation in that my divergence cloud is red, so red is to go down. Now also, I've got this EMA cloud in blue. Now I use this for entry and trade management. So for me, once the price action, the candles start to come down below this EMA cloud, this is good. I've got a good entry strategy here because it's below. I've got the signal, I've got the confirmation. So where am I going to go short? I'm going to go short just below this signal candle here because it is closed below the EMA cloud. My divergence cloud is red and I've got my signal. So let's just draw that on there. Just below that signal candle there. Okay, so that's my entry. Make that a little bigger. Tell you what, I've also got there in okay, so that's my entry. Where's my stop loss going to be? Remember, you've got to be prepared to lose money on these, so you don't want to risk too much. You want to keep it nice and tight. And with this type of strategy, we've got a signal, we've got confirmation, we've got an entry. We've got to put somewhere where it's that mark where if it goes up above on this short, we want to be taken out. So again, I'm going to go here. There's the 5-star signal candle. I want to be above this EMA cloud, so I want to be just above this pivot here. I'm going to get too technical on this particular doji candle there, but right now that's where my stop loss is going to be. So I'm just going to change that to oops, let's get on there. I'm going to put a stop on there. Okay. So there's my entry below the signal candle, confirmation, got the entry below the EMA cloud. Now, once this trade gets taken in, we get a 6-star sell here, which is confirming that move. Obviously, a 6-star sell is a higher probability move, and it did move quite fast. But now we're in the trade. How do we manage it? Where do we say, we can't just, when it reaches this low on this candle here, just just close the trade out. We don't know how far this is going to go, and it could just keep going. So we have to have a simple strategy in place just to keep adjusting this stop here. Now for me, it's very simple. I use the top. Once it closes above this EMA cloud, I need to be getting out. As you can see here, we did come and test. It came back down, come and test again. It didn't close above, and then it came back down again. Okay, so this type of strategy here really helps to take the guesswork out of it and be disciplined. So we've had this particular, basically all we're doing is moving that stop down. So once we get to this point, we are risk free. Now we're locking in profit, and it just keeps going, just keeps going, just keeps going. Let me just move the chart across now until we finally close up above there and we take the profit. But at this time now, we've got 5 and 6 star buy signals. Okay, so now these are in a different color. They're saying we should be going along. We've got the divergence cloud in green saying, hey, guess what, you should be looking for long trades here, and we're saying yes, we've got a signal 5 and 6 star buy here. We'll move that just down below this pivot point here. So 4 star comes in. Remember, we're still in that short trade, but now we've taken a long trade out. We pull back and test this EMA cloud, the blue cloud again. It finds support. We get a 5 star buy. We've got the confirmation from this divergence cloud. Now we're above the EMA cloud. We've got a signal. Let's just drag this green line over just to save a bit of time, just to show you where that entry would be. Again, remember, entry strategy, the first point of call for me when I'm using this EMA cloud is just to put it above that signal candle, because we are above the EMA cloud. So now again, we've got signal, we've got confirmation of the divergence cloud, we're above the EMA cloud, so our entry strategy is quite aggressive. It's above that signal candle, and you know, on the next candle we gap down a little bit, then it goes. Then what we've got to do is manage the trade again. So again, it's very simple, in that very hard to click on this red. All we're doing is following this EMA cloud now. You see how we come to test this EMA cloud. You remember the entry's all the way down here. We come to test the EMA cloud. It doesn't take it out. We just keep adjusting our trailing stop with this EMA cloud. Comes to test again. Doesn't take it out. We keep adjusting. We're just keeping it simple, and we're keeping the guesswork out of it by using this strategy to move this trailing stop to take the trade. Now eventually we get a close below the EMA cloud and we take the trade off, and this is where we are right now. This is live. Now we get a 5 star sell here, but remember, we needed the confirmation. The divergence cloud, you might just be able to see it on this video, just slightly green here. So we're not going to take the short here. We've taken out our long trade as a precaution. We've taken the profit, but now we've just got to sit and wait for a signal, for confirmation, and then that entry strategy, and then we're in. We're going to manage it, and that's how simple you should keep it. You've got to find those 3, 4 indicators that combine together to give you the signal, the confirmation, the entry strategy, and the trade management strategy. That's all you need. You don't need to overcomplicate this. And again, the way you combine these, in this instance here with this 5 star sell signal, we wouldn't take it because we haven't got the confirmation from that divergence cloud. So hopefully this little video helps for those Forex traders to help you understand that again, I'm going to repeat it because it's very important. We have the signal, but then we need confirmation, then we need the entry strategy, and then we just need to manage the trade. That's all we need. We just need that particular set of rules and those indicators to help you make those rules work for you. So hopefully this helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.